water it on half now.
Okay guys, so we're making a Koras Braff today. Koras pile up. Remember that, right? We're making this out in the yard. There's a split piece gone in there already.
What? On it, it done.
So next you're gonna add the salt here.
So she won't buy it now.
Yeah, let it bubble.
Bubble, like a tickle lady.
So this is the stock what you got there for the pile up.
See, got carrot.
Yeah, man. Now we got some Maggi soup.
We got the provision.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Right, first we got the fish here.
Now this is how we fish.
Yeah.
Don't wash with lime and thing. You can see the lime seeds in there. Alright. So you gotta talk what you do, you know.
This is sweet potato going in the pot.
Yeah, alright.
I wish if I could have done here, you would have used coconut nice
What?
fish and
Arrow now.
sweet potato.
Yeah, sweet potato. This is arrow.
And this is the chef.
And this is the chef. Contact me 688 to number. Anytime you need me, I am available.
Next plantain.
Plantain. I gotta wash your meat. This guy going there boil up.
Samosa. But then I buy the potato with some mixed vegetable, chop it up and mix it and stuff it.
This is the plantain going in now. Go on. Yeah.
When you come here, then see me GT
Hello. For your baby, Bash?
baby charge.
Good. This going into the pot now. All the provision to boil up. It's a power Braff. Good.
Coconut milk.
Good. Gani, two by pepper. But I have boiled pepper and some shallot. The chip shallot. Why? I rank water when you lime. She is not good. Left she, I gotta wash it out first and then season it. And then I got chora. No. Hey, we use a blender inside the bush, you know. Just blend up.
You know what the milk is extract, sir?
Yeah. Coconut water going in here.
Coconut milk by water. You want?
What? We are editing the coffee nonsense. Nothing a little bit more. Granny, we have pepper like it. Granny, you have some fresh pepper on the table. Yeah. But secondly, now, you're throwing a cup of pepper inside for flavor it. Just gotta wash it out. Everything I wash it. Good.
You're not putting
Nice.
it up because you don't want, if it's hot, you don't want it to
Boil up. Can I just sprinkle shallots?
the onion, the chop up and bring one shallot to bring shallot in something a little bit. So you just sprinkle it when you're ready to take out.
I want
And
this
bring
dal.
some celery too.
I want the dal. The dal mash up good and all. Normally I squash my dal.
Inside.
Celery.
Onion. Onion so little bit.
Where you can?
I knife more sharp than you wanna. She can't sharp knife no. A sharp knife is it. They are ready for clean catfish. Good. It's going in.
Take the same bowl and chip the
Huh?
take the same bowl and chip the onion inside.
It's fully.
What you gonna do? Duff or
Yeah, me auntie great.
great.
Yeah.
I thought you cut it up long and put it inside.
No, like when thing cook up. So what tell me how body comment body, how much body thing body did you right? Coras. Good.
Spring for us. Vinegar more.
Then item. This is carrot going in the pot. Flavor.
There you supposed to throw this macaroni you take long.
Not yet, we just now.
That's all it is. Take long just like provision for one.
What happened is by here, boy? Is by here, you know what you're doing?
The body trying a thing, you know.
So what you call this sugar bake in the bush?
Sugar bake.
What you call it?
Huh?
What you call this sugar bake in bush?
Sugar bake.
Not even talk about yourself.
Thing we make with
Boda.
Buddha.
Break on right?
yeah.
Braff.
Yeah, macaroni going in now. It's a nice sexy party, you know.
That's delicious.
Sexy.
Delicious by Braff.
Any girl see this video, they must come to the cook.
You gotta delete nothing.
You got delete?
You gotta scrape up nothing. Your body in here.
Yeah, remember half of my brain's gone.
You lose half of your brain?
Yeah, body me, I don't know, all me is.
You gotta cut it nice with a carrot.
Yeah, boy, bash, you must have dribble there. Why you want me to know?
We make noodles today.
Does it look like that?
Yeah.
Alright, put in some cube now.
Don't show in this area, John. No, I not put the packet powder. I want to put the ramens alone. No, give me some now.
Really, is how bush cook this guy, right? You bake for one thing, right?
Yeah, buddy. Ani, best bring down your kitchen on here. Aye. Yeah, buddy. I got green season in a bottle.
Chef?
Yeah.
Chef?
For us, Braff. When we don't be sitting on with Jeff.
Good.
So far, you're going good.
Lime seed.
Why nothing? Flavor.
No flavor.
But now you got good teeth.
Yeah, no, it's
Lime seed and
a bit equal. I'll show this here now again.
Let me go out the way.
Now this one for you. You can't taste them? The milk is spring water. Oh, a piece of meat in Ghana, boy.
Gill?
Yeah, well, gill is tastes good, boy.
If one fat spoon rate, you're gonna make some man.
Uh,
When I'm trying to get a bed, they come back to gravy for me.
Kani, you give people live it.
Give a bowl like dip gravy for me in the tea soup. And we can even come in before the people up on the phone come in. Discrimination going on so good, right?
Smelling good already, boy. The original Braff.
Seasoning.
Put in some seasoning now.
No, you get fit to me fish seasoning is too salty. You got to some used to use on. This is
Just give me the Braff belly.
You just want to eat the Braff. Don't bother
Don't give me nothing from hot up next stomach and vomit again.
This is a cure for the hangover, boy. She going and cure your hangover now with this little
You
Braff.
see if I take a sample.
So we're gonna add some fish seasoning to the fish. Some green seasoning. Yeah, what kind of bahir is this?
Oh, the thing
You don't want the no.
you think that reasonable taste?
You can't taste some yet, it's too hot. You gotta blow. Tastes good? Alright.
You got too much salt. Yes, we're going to throw in the main one here. The power. Horas.
For us, good for you, man. The best thing for bringing back from a hangover. Doctor had a Koras in Guyana, you know that, right? Yeah, right in your road here. Doctor had a lady Koras, bruv. Brings you back. Tip top shape.
If you need to start to show this one. No. Yeah, right there? Yes. You're going to add more liquid to the thing. But look, squeeze back this arm.
I don't run and take care already.
Yes, squeeze this glass of coconut with a half of this thing water.
Add a leaf, yeah.
Put in some arrow leaf.
Don't put all of that, put half.
Yeah, a bit too much. Watch out. Add a leaf. Going in. Huh? No, dah kami alto. By little bit for me then. Couple of washing it. Good.
You finished with the salt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we adding some ramen noodles.
same control as.
Can't throw anything more, have salt and pepper. That's quite enough. Put it on a bottom and it's fast. You will use that.
So you had a big party last night. So this is a cure today to bring back everybody from the hangover. Done cure one, cure already. One person cured. Put in some poi bhaji as well. Tikli bhaji, poi bhaji.
You come see that? No, you will come see how hot you are.
Yeah, we got it done melt already. You see no mini pot. Susan, you got drink some, they say today.
So the boil up is almost done.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Looking good, looking good.
So now, you put no pepper in my food. I have a heart problem now. Yeah.
Man crazy for truth, bro.